Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create an album in Line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply select the chat of your choice. Let's say I want to create an album with my friend Greg right here, so I'm simply gonna go to his chat right now. Once you do that, all you guys need to do is focus on the nav bar. Right here at the top right, you can see these three lines. Click on it, and that is it. Do note that there are lots of options, but right now all you guys need to do is focus on this thing called as albums, and just below it you can see something called as create album. Click on it right now. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to select the images of your choice. Let's say I select these few, and once everything's okay, simply click on next. At the bottom right, click on it. Do note that you can simply rename the album of your choice and simply add other images. Once everything's okay, simply click on create at the top right, and that is it guys. As you guys can see, the album is being created. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it guys. Hope you guys found this very informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.